How can buyers navigate this tough housing market? It's no secret that this market is tough for buyers. Interest rates have increased, prices remain high, and affordability is low. What can buyers do to gain an edge in this market and make purchasing a home more affordable? Fortunately, there's a lending product that can counteract high interest rates: 2-1 Buydowns. Let's go over what this product is, how it works, and how it can help you get into your dream home. A 2-1 Buydown works by putting money up front to lower your mortgage interest rate for the first 2 years of your loan. The first year, your rate will be 2% lower. The year after that, it'll be 1% lower. Then it'll return to normal. This is a fantastic way to ease into your mortgage payment and lower the upfront cost of your loan. You can get your seller to pay the upfront cost. Good buyers are hard to find in this housing market due to higher rates. Many sellers are willing to offer concessions to ensure they don't have to lower their asking price, especially if you have a good agent negotiating for you. This means your seller can pay the upfront cost of your 2-1 Buydown, and you can sit back and enjoy the discount. You can refinance when rates come back down. While we probably won't see rates as low as 3 or 4% again for a long time, most experts agree that interest rates are likely to come down within the next year or two. This timeline fits perfectly with a 2-1 Buydown. You can enjoy the benefits and simply refinance to a lower interest rate when your buydown is set to expire.